Hey everyone, this is Matthew. Welcome back to the channel. Today is Friday, November 21st, 2025, and this is your Daily Nasdaq Futures Recap, the show where we break down every move, every catalyst, and of course, every single trade. Our algorithm fired off throughout the session. Let's jump right into it. Market news. We had a light economic calendar today, but a steady stream of Fed speak. At 8:30 a.m., Fed Vice Chair Barr kicked things off. Fed's Collins followed with her remarks. Then, at 9:30 a.m., S&P Global Manufacturing PMI dropped. Then, a Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index wrapped up the morning data. After hours, no big tech fireworks. A calm end to the week. Overnight session. Right at the 6 p.m. futures open, the market set the tone for what would become a steady, controlled overnight session with no major surprises. As Asian market opened, market became volatile. Our robot made a couple of losing trades. By midnight, realized loss accumulated to $452. Morning session. At 8:30 a.m., data flood time. S&P Global Manufacturing PMI 51.9 down from 52.5. Michigan Consumer Sentiment 51 down from 53.6. Volatility kicked in right away. Then at 9:30 a.m., the U.S. stock session opened. With Fed rate cut hopes still alive, buyers stepped in and pushed the Nasdaq higher. Our robot made a long trade for a profit. Now realized loss became $239. By 10 a.m., updated Michigan data rolled in. Consumer sentiment, 51. Inflation expectations, 4 for 5%. Slightly below 4.6%. The market liked the softer inflation expectations, enough to give the Nasdaq an extra lift. The index pushed up to 24,370, where our long positions were closed for a solid win. Realized profit now $281. Afternoon session. The Nasdaq stayed firm into the afternoon, hovering around 24,500, with steady upward pressure. At 2:30 p.m., momentum picked up again. Our robot caught a clean long trade, nudging total realized gains to $304. Right before the closing bell, we saw a mild dip. Classic Friday profit-taking as traders. Wrapped up ahead of the weekend. After hours. A very quiet after-hours session. No tech earnings, no volatility bombs. Just smooth sailing into the weekend. That ended our profitable Friday trading. Summary. A strong finish to the week. Nasdaq bounced back after yesterday's loss. Investors shifted into weekend and Thanksgiving mode. Our algorithm locked in $304 today. And big milestone. We closed out 5 consecutive winning days. Total weekly profit, $1,925. An awesome week of trading. Thanks for tuning in. Have an amazing weekend and holiday, and I'll see you next week for the next Nasdaq Futures Recap.